So this is my first day starting Saxenda, and this is the prescription here, and these are the needles that go with it. And I was going to share my journey with you. So today is the first day, and to start with, we will open up the pen. And as you can see on here, there's a little dial. And when you open the pen up, of course the needle's not there yet, this here is where the medication is. And this is the dial that you'll turn to put it on the prescription amount that your doctor has prescribed for you. For me, we are starting out at 0.6. It's the lowest dose that you can have. And I'm glad she started me on that because of the side effects and everything that you hear about. So I'm starting this to see how it goes today. So you're gonna spin the little dial until you get to 0.6. And then from here, you're going to get out your needles, which are gonna come pre-packed this way. It's gonna be a little piece here that you'll pull off so that it's nice and sterile. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull that piece off. And we're gonna place it on the end of our pen. Just screw it on there. And once that's screwed on there, you will have a little casing that is the protective cover, so you will pull that off. It's here. And you'll have another protective cover which is covering the needle, and that's this part here. So before you put the injection in, you're gonna wanna pull that off. But first, we're gonna make sure that we have an alcohol swab, or you can use a cotton ball with alcohol on it, or you can buy the swabs at Walmart or somewhere like that, and they're pre-sterilized with the alcohol. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use a cotton swab with some alcohol on it, and we'll get started. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little alcohol on a cotton ball, and we're going to sterilize our skin before we start. So we have the alcohol, and you're going to go right at the belly button, and you're going to squeeze up just a little amount and sterilize that there. And we're going to take the needle and we're going to pull the top off. You're going to take the little piece of skin that you just pulled up and sterilized. Put your finger here first, it's easier. Just kind of jab, just a little bit. Doesn't hurt, don't even feel it. And squeeze. Okay, so from there, once it's injected, you'll see that it's now on the 0. And you'll just want to replace the cap so that we'll be safe. And you can unscrew that off. And you will discard this part, and there's your pen ready for the next day. And as you can see, I have put a little marker on the top of this one so that I'll know this is the one I've used, and I can continue using it until this dose is complete. And it just helps me keep up with the pen that I have used. So I'll keep you updated on my journey, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.